Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add watermark in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have created a project and we're going to add watermark to this video. So the first thing we have to do is click on this text button right here. Then we can click on add text and just type the watermark that you want to add to your video. And I'm going to type watermark. Type watermark. Alright, and we can change the font that we like. We can click on font and just choose the font that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose Helium font. And after that, we can click on style option. It's over here. Just click on style and we can go down until we find opacity. And we can reduce the opacity to make this watermark transparent. So we can drag this circle like this. And I'm going to choose 40% opacity, and you can make it as transparent as you like. And after that, we can click on this check mark. Alright, and we can drag this watermark. We can place this watermark to the part of the video that we like, and we can also zoom in or zoom out like this. And we can adjust the length. We can adjust the length to make this watermark align with the video. Alright, and let's check it together. Okay guys, and that's how we can add watermark to our video in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.